Hey everyone, so today we are going to be opening up a couple of Revel grab bags, and these are $12 and you get 4 products inside. I don't know what's going to be in here. I don't know if they're going to be big ones, small ones, like jars, so we're going to go ahead and get to the first one. So these are packaged really nicely. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. So, let's see. This powder is AC20. And this looks like a nudie pink. I am going to swatch these and then I will show you or tell you what they are. But this is AC20 in my camera. It's just a really pretty pink. The next one is a no-name shade. I don't know what color this is, but it has no name. Perfect, but it looks like a tan. Lots of nude shades. Okay. This next one is called Cherry Blossom, and this is a beautiful pink. Oh my gosh, I'm going to totally do a birthday mani. My birthday is on April 14th, so I'm excited. And this one's called 230, number 230. They give you lots of nude shades in this bag. And then we will open up the next bag. This one's really heavy, so I don't know what's in this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's powder everywhere. Oh no. Oh no. This isn't good. Means one of them leaked everywhere. Alright, so this isn't the offender. The one is the white one and it's in the bottom. And I don't know how much powder I lost, but this one is called D151 March. And it's a deep smoky purple shade. I'm really intrigued by that color. Oh my goodness. It's going to take me a minute because these are all covered in powder. So, alright, so I found the offending powder. It's this one and it is a color changing powder. I'm so excited. I don't have any color changing powders. And this is called Lyra. So I'm excited to swatch this and check it out. There's 2 more. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is called Apple Peel, and it is a metallic. I don't have any of the metallics, and this is a big jar. Like this is an ounce jar. Oh my gosh, some of these are full size. Do you all know how much they are full size? I am not kidding. This is such a great value. I will tally up how much this was all worth in the end, but seriously, it's such a great value for the money. But this is called Apple Peel, and I think this is one of their chromed ones or something. I'll have to see how to apply it when I do it on the swatch wheel. So I'm very excited. So we have one more to do to show. The last one is this beautiful pale gray, and it has shimmers, very fine shimmers in it. There is no name, there is no tag, no nothing, so I may make up a name for it or something and maybe call it Dove or something. I don't know. I'll write a name on it and make up my own name, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch these off camera and I will show you the name and I will tell you the value for the money. I spent $12 per bag. And I got a couple, no, 3 full-size jars, so oh my goodness. I'm going to go ahead and do these on a nail wheel, so I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I just got done swatching these. So the first one that is shown right here, which is kind of like a pinky shade, is AC20. It's amazing how much these shades transform when they cure or whatever. I did do a gel top coat on top of these, so this is AC20, beautiful. It's not red. The camera's making it pull red, but it's not red. The next one is Cherry Blossom, and that is the pretty kind of coral shade here. Super duper pretty. I'm really excited to wear that on my fingers for summer. The next shade is this really pretty, like mauve-y nudie shade. I was actually kind of really surprised because in the bottle it looks tan, or the jar, but when you put it on the nail it's not. It's like totally not what you would think from the bottle. So, I mean, swatches are very, very helpful. And that one, this one had no name. So I'm going to have to make up some names for some of these. The next one is this deep, oh my gosh, in the jar it looks purple, like a deep, dark purple. It's called D151 March. I don't know if this was some sort of special March shade or something, but this color is so deep, you guys. It's like got a hint of smoky purple in the background. Absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. The next one is this beautiful taupe shade, and that is this one right here. I don't think I had any taupe dip powders, so I'm kind of, and look at the mess behind me. I made a mess swatching these. So beautiful, beautiful taupe shade here. That purple's looking black, but it's like a brown purple, dark brown purple in the light. And oh my gosh, the one I said I was going to name Dove, it is a holographic dip that's got clear base, so this could be layered over other clear shades or other colors. So this is it right here. It has no labels whatsoever, so I'm just gonna put like a label on it and call it Hollow Sparkle, I don't know, something like that. Alright, and then here is this purple, gosh, I can't talk today. Here is the blue, that is the color changer, and it actually matches the jar pretty well. I haven't played around to see if it color changes at all, so I should have showed that on camera. You know what? I will take a photo of it with a different color at the end of the video, and I will share that. And you guys, I have found my absolute favorite. It's like there's so many pretty colors. This one is called Apple Peel, and oh my goodness, she is absolutely stunning. I think this is one of their mirrored ones, if I'm not mistaken. They have videos on how to do it, so I'll have to watch their videos, but it's got the most beautiful sparkles in there. Absolutely stunning. I'm pretty happy with what I got. I wish there was a way to make that show up properly. I mean, I don't know, it's showing pretty close. But I will put the value at the end for all of these jars. I'm pretty happy, and if they keep selling the bags like that, I'll probably get a couple more. You do have a risk of getting duplicates, so if I do, then you know what, I'll just do a giveaway with duplicates. So, well, let me know what you all think. Do you think this is a fun thing? I thought this was so much fun. So, my birthday is coming up on Wednesday, April 14th, and I am planning on doing a birthday mani. I'm going to file my nails down almond shape, and then we will do a birthday mani together. I have some plans for some ideas. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and yes, dip powder is a mess. If you all could recommend a little hand vacuum to get all this off here, I would be very, very happy. So I will see you all Wednesday for my birthday mani. Bye guys!